All right, boys and girls, today we're going to be learning about syllables. Syllables, especially word syllables, are how many sounds are in a word. So when we're counting word syllables, it's really important that we don't slow the word down. If we're sounding out the word and dragging out the word, we're not going to be able to count how many syllables there were in the word. The only way to count syllables is to say the word regular, the way we talk, and count them. I like to do something called tap my chin or clap so that I know how many syllables there are. Let's try it. When we are getting syllables, really all we're doing is counting. Just like we count cubes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's how we count the syllables in a word. So we all know we can count to 5, so we can definitely count the syllables in these words. Here are the days of the week. Let's try Sunday. Okay, now we have to count the syllables. So I could do it like this, Sunday, and count them, 1, 2. Or I could tap my chin, Sunday, and I know there were 2 syllables. Let's check and see if I was right. Yep, 2 syllables in the word Sunday. Let's see if you can help me with the next one. How about the word teach? Let's see, teach. How many times did we clap for the word teach? 1 time. That's right. 1 syllable in the word teach. Let's try teacher. Okay, here we go. Teacher. 2 syllables. Or teacher. 2 claps. Great job. Let's keep going. How about the word book? You try it first. How many syllables are in the word book? All right, now it's my turn. Book. Did you get 1? How about if I clap it? Book. Still 1 syllable. How many are in magazine? All right, my turn. Magazine. What if I clap it? Magazine. I got 3. How many did you get? Let's see. 3 is correct. Magazine has 3 syllables. Last one. This is a great word. This is the grade that we were in this year. It's called kindergarten. All right, let's try and see how many syllables are in the word kindergarten. Remember, don't slow down. All right, my turn. Kindergarten. Oh my goodness, I got 4 that time. Let's try it one more time to be sure. I'll clap it out. Kindergarten. 4 claps. Let's see what the answer is. 4 was correct. Did you get 4? Awesome job. Okay, now it's your turn to try for real. We're going to give you some worksheets here. You do not need to do both of these. You can pick one. Now, on the first worksheet where you see some worms, what you're going to be doing is saying the picture in the first box and then color a worm for each syllable you hear. So the first word is snail. When I count the syllables in snail, snail, I only get 1. So I would color in 1 worm, and then I would write the number 1 on the line to represent the syllables. And then I would keep going for flower, umbrella, bunny, butterfly, and frog. On this page, if you print it out, you can cut out the bottom and glue them where they go if they have 1 syllable here, 2 syllables here, or 3 down here. And if you're going to do it on the computer, what you're going to do is you're going to type in the word. So the word is right here on the picture. So this is a spider. I can see the word spider right there. I'm going to count the syllables. Spider. I got 2 syllables, or I could clap it. Spider. So I would go to the box that has 2 and I would write the word spider, S-P-I-D-E-R. And then I would move on to the next one, dragonfly, dragonfly. I know it has 3 syllables, so I would put the word dragonfly in the box that has the 3. So that is how you do each of these worksheets. Again, you do not need to do them both. You can pick the worksheet that you would like to do. All right, do your best work.